Hey MGTOWs, this is Vention. I had a problem with my Whirlpool washer here, and I figured I would share it. It's a Whirlpool. These things are pretty universal. Once you get a design that works, they just sort of stick to it. But the thing just would not drain. It would spin and it would do everything else, but it wouldn't drain. So it turns out that, and I heard the pump trying to pump, but it just wasn't doing it. Then I pulled the pump out. It kind of goes in like that. And I found this crap in here. It looks like cast aluminum. And I have no idea what it is. I don't see how it could have gotten in there because there's no place for it to go. So I'm concerned that it might be a part of the mechanism. But it worked just fine before the pump stopped working, so I'm going to throw this puppy back in. Why throw money at a problem if you can just see what you can do to fix it? So I just thought I would share it. Anyway, in order to get the door off, you need like a big putty knife or something and jam it in here, and you can pry the thing up, and then the front door pops off. So wish me luck. Maybe I'll get this thing fixed later. Okay, it's back in. I never found any more of these weird pieces of, it looks like cast aluminum. No apparent leaks. Now I've got about 4 inches of water. Ooh, don't want it to spin. Okay. Okay, well, apparently that's what it was. Alrighty. Successful repair. I do love not spending money. Haha.